We're videoing Miss Buckles with her building her core. Good job, Buckles. Oh, that's a good girl. What do you do up here now? Come on. Oh, that's a good girl. Sit. Yes. All right. Can you come up? Come up. Good girl. Build that core, Missy. Let's build that core. Woohoo! Woohoo! Come on. Yes. Good girl. Come down here. Good. Let's go around. Nope, you got to keep your feet back on there. Come on. Feet down. Okay, this way. Turn. Yes. Yay! Yay, Buckles! Wait. 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 I'll do a quick little, oh, she's a little off because she's on that. Just do a little side shot here. Good girl, come here. Wait. Ooh, she's learning to plant it. Wait. Good girl. Wait. Wait. So this is Buckles. Okay, good girl, Buckles.